When Neha uploaded her video, she felt proud. She had a good content and strong points. But after one day, the video stopped getting views. She didn't understand why. The reason was simple. Most people left in the first 30 seconds. On YouTube, the first 30 seconds decide everything. When someone clicked a video, YouTube watches closely. It checks if the person stays or leaves. If many people leave early, YouTube thinks the video is not helpful and stops showing it. Many creators start their videos by saying long greetings or explaining themselves too much where viewers don't have patience to listen. See, if anybody clicking your video, that means they want to know quickly solution for a particular problem, or maybe they saw your title and thumbnail and they are expecting something, that's why they entered here. But instead of that, you are telling about yourself and extra fluff, means they don't like it. So a good video starts by showing the problem or the result first. It makes the viewer feel, oh yeah, this video is for me. I get the answers for the questions I have in my mind. When viewer feel that, they stay longer, no matter how your edits or how fancy transitions you are adding. And also, as I told you in the last video, longer watching tells YouTube that the video is good. So that's why you don't need any fancy editing. You only need clear words, a strong start, and a promise that the video will help. When you fix the first 30 seconds, you fix your watch time, and when watch time improves, YouTube gives your video a chance to grow. So after watching this video, follow this. First, make a draft script. Even word by word script also very fine. Once that script is completed, now make a 30-second another script where you are showcasing all about your video as a trailer to the viewer so that they can understand much better what they are going to see. And also, whatever the 30 seconds is there, make sure you align the thumbnail and title to that. If it's not, it hurts a lot to that particular video. Hey, if you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe these videos. I post a ton of videos on this channel related to YouTube growth, followed by video editing and other videos. You know, it's like a complete package of creators growth on this channel. That's all for this video. So yeah, see you again in the next video.